Hello, I'm Hi-Fi, and I'm gonna be solving some Rubik's Cubes. Whoa, Rubik's Cubes. What's so special about it? I'm gonna be solving all of these. I know, progressively get bigger. Gonna start off with this 2x2 and end in this 7x7. So, let's just scramble these up. But scrambling them normal would be boring. So I'm just gonna use some magic. Boom. They're all scrambled now. What are you gonna do about it? And we're gonna solve them. No time lapse, no nothing. It's just gonna be straight solving cubes. Me talking. This might be boring. I don't care. I'm posting it anyways. So I'm gonna start off by looking at this a bit and try another solve. You're not sure. You can see me actually solving them now. So here we go. Okay. This is a really bad scramble. I'm gonna say that. Okay, I'm gonna start with white face. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. Okay, we're done with that. 2x2, done. Whoa. Going on to 3x3. Oh my gosh, oh gosh, okay. This hurts. This is gonna take forever to do. Sorry about the sun. Right there. G-perm, don't know how to do that. Okay, 3x3, done. 4x4. Now we're starting to get towards some bigger cubes. Okay, so I mean, usually this is when someone will do a Q&A, but who watches my videos? Nobody. Woo. Blue, orange, and green. Wow. What am I doing? Here we go. Okay, solve that. Just solving. I actually went to a competition for this yesterday. Very fun, first one since COVID, so had to get a COVID test for it, but still lots of fun. It's about a 3, 2. Yeah, I do 3. I know I'm a nerd. 3, 2, 3. Okay. At this point, this would probably be kind of boring if you're fast at cubing or you don't really care. And by the way, instead of Rubik's Cube, I'm just going to say cube because that's how I've always said it. Oh, look at that. That was smart. If I get parity, I am going to cry. I'm going to cry. Okay, only one parity. Let's go. Okay. 4x4 is done. Put it with the solved cubes. 5x5. I know you're like, wow, you're going so fast. This is cute. This is going to take like 2 seconds to film. No, it isn't. Because then, this is going to slow down a lot. My progress is going to slow down. As my hands get tired, and as the cubes get harder. Here we go. We're about working on center pieces for this. I'm not gonna try to explain how to solve these things. There's tutorials for that, and I really don't care about explaining it. Okay, centers for 5x5 are done. Working on edges. Wow, that probably means nothing to you. But I didn't ask, so it means something to you. You should be happy. Clap now. Okay. I really don't like 5x5. Actually, 5x5 is my favorite of like these bigger cubes. 6x6 is my least favorite, which is next. Let's go. Okay, that was my first 4 edges. By the way, I think there's like 16, 12 maybe. I don't know. I have to do 12 of them. So let's go. Here we go. Okay, but they do get faster as time goes on because I just finished 4 more. I'm done with that. Okay, get that one. Then solve the second edge. Woo. Okay. Oh, I got parity. Let's go. Okay, done with that. I'm on 3x3 stage at this point. So I'm not solving that one again. I sort of am. You pretty much want to convert this bigger cube into a 3x3. That's what you're doing. So now it is pretty much this type of cube. So time to. So pretty much I'm almost done with this cube, thankfully. See, now my progress is going to die. I mean, like, die. Okay. That one's 5x5. No, that's gonna fall. Okay. 6x6. Yay, my favorite cube. There's like so many things that can go wrong in 6x6. This is when my progress starts to go down a lot. If you thought 5x5 took a while, oh, this is gonna take like 10 times longer. Maybe not. I don't know at this point. I never solved 6x6 because I have no care for it. Okay. Should have brought some water. Thirsty. It's a very nice day outside, even though I am wearing sweats and stuff. It's very nice. I thought I would, when I was about to film this, I thought I would just like forget to talk. But honestly, I've been talking this entire time. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh gosh, I hate that. Wait, what? What am I doing? Okay. So, yeah, 6x6, yay. Okay, so I'm gonna work on orange. Okay, that was nice. Got lucky there. Already had a lot of orange lined up. And so, almost done with centers for this. Okay, here we go. Why is yellow there? Okay. There we go. Okay. Boom, center's done for 6x6. Yay, let's go. Okay, now we are moving on to edges. Stop 5x5 edges took a long time. Oh boy, you're in for a ride. So far I finished 2. Sounds like a lot, but remember there's 12. I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. There's 12 edges. I don't care anymore. I'm just trying not to lose my mind. So I've already solved 7x7 for today, and that's enough for 7x7 ever, but once per day. And 6x6, my time limit, but like my limit for solving 6x6 today is 0. 6x6 is doo-doo. No one should ever like 6x6. If you like 6x6, you don't. You're wrong. Your opinion is wrong. I don't care. I don't care. Your opinion's wrong if you like 6x6. So, okay, finishing up edges soon for 6x6, which means I've almost finished up 6x6 in total. And then I have the grind for 7x7. Let's go. I love 7x7. As you can tell by my tone, 7x7 is my favorite. Oh, let's go! Okay, we skipped one parody, but there's a lot more. Parody is just annoying steps that are optional. You're joking. So I did something that is dumb. I messed up something, so now I have to redo a lot of stuff. Actually, no, not really. I'm more or less just having to do an algorithm that I really should not have had to have done. So, okay. Gosh, my back is starting to hurt. And 6x6 is done, finally. Let's have it with all the other cubes. Wow! 7x7. Oh, yay. I love this. Oh gosh, this is when I'm gonna have to like concentrate. So this is when I'm probably gonna stop talking. Why did I do that? Wait, what? Okay. I just did something you do in the later centers. And that's why my hands are just tired. See, like you start off with like getting these parts. So, honestly, I suggest like going outside, touch grass. After this, you should really touch grass. It's very healthy activity. I don't know why I'm like insulting you. People who watch my videos, even though you see like they have like -5 views, but thank you. I really appreciate that. Hey, I've been doing shorts recently, you know, because like why not? They're pretty easy. They take like a couple seconds to make on like this. But I just had the idea to do it because I was bored. But then I realized, I didn't realize it, but I just saw that some of my shorts just get a lot of views. Like if you look, like this probably, if you're like the one person who's ever gonna watch this, you're gonna see that like some of my shorts, just go look at my shorts. Some of them just have like 5,000 views. Like 2 of them just have 5,000 views out of nowhere. And I put so little effort into those. Like, I don't know why they got so many views. But YouTube was just like, yeah, those ones just get 5,000 views. And if you could probably tell by this video, this would probably be the average amount of views. For this video, that probably like 2. But gosh. This was I just having fun creating content. I don't really care about being monetized. Like, I literally don't care about YouTube at all. I'm just here to have fun. I could care less. I had a friend who cared so much. Like, I was like, dude, okay, I guess if you like wanna like have your channel grow, but I'm sorry, there's like a -8% chance you're ever gonna make it on YouTube. I'm sorry if you're trying to be a YouTuber. Sorry, it's not really that fun. Ah, that got emotional. So, you haven't been able to see the cube. I am so sorry about that. But yeah, I finished. I just have to finish these 2 centerpieces, which is the equivalent of just solving one. Oh, windy. That doesn't look good. It's kind of cloudy. But hey, when did I ask? No, whether I did not ask you to be bad, so don't. Just don't be bad. Okay, it's starting to get bad, so we're just gonna speed up. The weather is like, it's starting to get a little windy, and I'm a bit scared about that. But okay, oh gosh, I'm gonna get like axe murdered right here, right now. Okay, oh yeah, we're done with the centers right now. We just finished it, yay. Okay, just gotta do edges. So hopefully it doesn't take as long, but hopefully, yeah, hopefully it doesn't take as long. Okay, oh shoot. I have a story from yesterday at a Rubik's Cube competition. I know, I'm such a nerd. But, so I forgot this algorithm. It's a U-firm if any cubers are out there. I just forgot it. I don't know why. I decided, yeah, I'm just going to forget it. And then someone on my table was like, oh yeah, I got you. This is a U-firm. And he just starts to do the algorithm. And then the cube explodes. I was like, oh, that would have been so funny if I got that on camera. And so, yeah. Okay, finishing up here with this. Probably still be like 10 years until I actually finish, but hey, I'm just having fun. Not that YouTube isn't fun, but it sometimes can be, because sometimes people can just be annoying. Like, haha, your YouTube channel is cringe. And I'm like, by the way, that was, I know how I said cringe was kind of cringe. This is not just, yeah, they might be right. They might be right, but hey, I'm having fun. So, okay, last 4 edges, let's go. Okay, oh, that was just good edge right there. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so lucky right now. I am not even joking. My luck for these last few edges is insane. Bro, what is my luck? Stop it. Okay, I'm gonna get like centuple parity or something. Bro! Oh, I'm gonna get like the double parity thing or something. Okay, I only got 1 parity. Okay, finished that. I'm on 3x3 stage. Okay, we're almost done. We're gonna last stretch. Woo! Last stretch. Okay, okay, here we go. Oh, yes! The sun has come out to watch me finish up. Oh, T-firm! I'm done. I finished them all. Don't believe me? 2x2? Look at that, it's all done. 3x3? Look at that. It's all done. 4x4? Look at that. That's all done. 5x5? Look at that. That's all done. I felt like ages ago when I saw that. 6x6? Look at that. That's all done. And 7x7. Look at that. That's all done. I have finished it. Oh, that hurt. My fingers are sore. I'm not going to do any more cubing for the next 7,000 years. But I hope you enjoyed this montage of me. Montage, not the right word. This video of me solving Rubik's Cubes. And please subscribe, maybe? Please. Thank you. I hope you press that red button. But anyways, bye!